Yo, this is just, this is actually just a cat that moving. You might be looking and it just moved like that. But you might be upset with me. But in here, I actually make it because this is actually the not the actual logic on how to make moving cat logic. It's just my logic right now. And you might be saying, yes, it's only you only need this thing to help the cat move. But why do you put it so slow? You might be saying that. So look, you might be saying, oh, it just moved fast. And look, it just keep moving. He say that, but let's go make part 1. By the way, this is already part 1, so this is part 1 of this is the movie Kept Logic part 1. Bruh, what am I doing? Okay, by the way, make sure to be shout out on my channel. But wait on. This is just the cat logic. It's like too much. This is. I know you might be saying the rest are wrong. This thing only correct. Well, yes, I'm just pretending it. No, like I'm just. This is not part 1. I ain't making another part. So we also want to make when this clips. So we wanted so and loudness is whoa, no, of course no. So key win press key win. What is key win? So if key win is pressed. So we put it in there, then after we say wait until, and if not we just if on edge bounce, that's all. And for some top it off we say wait 0.1 second. Then after okay, then